Let's learn how to leave a Discord server. If you have some servers that you don't need and want to leave but don't know how, stay until the end of this video and you'll know how to do it. The first thing you need to do is open Discord on your phone or computer. When you've opened Discord, you'll be on the home page. On the home page, you can select the Discord server you want to leave. You can select it by clicking on its icon on the left side. Once you've clicked on that icon, the page for that server will open. On the page that opened, you need to click on the 3 dots. These 3 dots are located in the upper right corner of your screen. When you click on these 3 dots, a menu will open with many options that you don't need for this tutorial. To find the option you need, you must scroll all the way to the bottom of that menu. When you scroll to the bottom, there will be a red option called Leave Server. You need to click on that option, and when you click on it, you'll be asked if you're sure you want to leave the server. If you're sure, click on the red Yes option, and once you click on that option, you have successfully left the server. So, thanks for watching. See you in the next video.